Winter is having a tough grip on nature this year. The animals are doing the best they can, and here are these two killdeer bathing in a snowstorm. Now it looks a bit cold to me. And the geese look like they're smoking. That steam coming out of their mouth because it's so cold. I thought that looked pretty funny. Another pretty intense snow scene. Look at the drifts on the left. It's still seemingly deep winter, and the morning, even though it looks beautiful, ice is all covering the pond. Now it's skating time. Slipping and sliding, it's kind of fun to watch, knowing they could fly, but they prefer the walk and slip and slide. The owl as well, great horned owl, it is still winter. This particular water has melted out. And another one for skating time. I think it's hilarious. Look at them. They all walk. Nobody flies. This one I sped up a little bit. Again, this one prefers to walk on the ice and slip and slide. Maybe showing off a little. And finally, it's springtime, at least that day. No more ice, and spring has arrived. Thank you so much for watching, and please, if you like this, subscribe below.